Hi everyone, Corinne Epps here from 30daybuttransformation.com. Today I'm coming at you with an awesome booty workout. It's gonna get you a nice round butt, perfect for your bikini. So let's go ahead and get started. All you're gonna need is a set of leg weights. We're gonna start on all fours. All right, and the first exercise we're doing is we're gonna do a knee tuck. We're gonna take it out. You're gonna bring your knee towards your elbow, take it back out and down. We're gonna do 12 on each side. So let's go. Keep your stomach nice and tight. Last one. Great job. Switch, other side, same thing. Really make sure you squeeze your butt when your leg goes out and back. Two more. Whew. Great job. All right, back over to this side, same thing. Let's go. Again, 12. Whew, feeling my butt burning already. Last two. Great job, other side. Same thing. Whew, my butt is on fire. Last two, make them count. All right, great job. Okay, what we're doing next is we're gonna pulse, we're gonna do a heel press, which means our leg is at a 90-degree angle. We're pushing through our heels. We're just gonna pulse for 5 reps. Then we're gonna take it out, fire hydrant move. You're going 5 here, then back up for 5, back out for 5. Ready? Let's go, we're here, push, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew. Other side, same thing. Ready? Pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wow. I feel like my butt is growing as I'm doing these workouts. These are no joke. Let's go. Our leg is straight out. We're gonna do a straight leg pulse. So we're just here, literally pulsing. It's a short movement. You can feel your butt burning the whole time. 30 reps each leg. Ready? Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 more. Oh, great job. Other side, same thing. Leg is straight, stomach is tight, pulsing for 30. Ten more. Whew. All right, great job. Okay, quick second rest. What we're doing next is we're gonna actually take our legs straight. You're gonna keep it off the ground the whole time you're doing this. You're gonna bring it out to the side, bring it back. Out to the side, bring it back. 8 on each side. Stomach is tight, ready? Let's go. Whew. Come on, you can do it. Oh, wow, that's painful in a good way. Let's go other side, same thing. Take your leg out, bring it in. 1. Great job. Okay, now we're done with those. We're just doing a regular knee tuck to a press. So this time you're gonna go in and you're gonna press out, really squeezing that butt on the way up, 20 on each side. Ready? Let's go. In, out. Come on, halfway there. Great job. Other side, same thing, knee tuck, take it out. Push through your heel. Whew, excellent. I know you feel those because I do. We're gonna bring it up and just do squats now to finish off. So let's go ahead, bring it up. Your feet are a little bit more than shoulder width apart. Point your toes forward. We're gonna drop it back, really squeeze on the way up. Keep your knees behind your toes. Come on, really squeeze that butt. Halfway there. Come on, push through your heels, squeeze it up. I know you're feeling it everywhere. I'm feeling it from my calves up to my glutes, my hamstrings. 2 more. All right, great job, amazing job. I know your legs are burning right now, mine are too. Amazing job. Keep coming back, keep doing these videos, and you are gonna love the results that you see in your legs and your butt. I'll see you again in the next video. And remember, for the best butt workout out there, be sure to check out 30daybutttransformation.com.